I'm Dale Relucio and I work in the IT department here sa TLDC, sa Torre Lorenzo Development Corporation. So, I handle various aspects like administering networks, troubleshooting, managing and maintaining IT assets, and also I coordinate with third-party suppliers. My experience here working here sa TLDC has been positive. Na-enjoy ko yung mga challenges na na-encounter ko everyday. And the company and syempre the IT department gives me the opportunity to learn new things, which is something na sobrang na-appreciate ko po. One of my proudest moment na nagawa ko dito sa Torre Lorenzo is yung pag-set up and deployment namin ng firewall. Pinaka-proud ako doon kasi una, first time kong gawin yun. Kasi sa previous company ko is naka-set up na talaga. So parang minamanage lang siya. So ngayon is nag-set up talaga kami from scratch. So kaya yun yung isa sa mga proudest moment na ginawa ko dito sa Torre Lorenzo. So the working environment here is very supportive and team-oriented since I've been working sa IT industry for almost 5 years. I've already developed a solid foundation, pero being here sa TLDC, it has allowed me to grow even further.